Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick. Before we start, there's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price. Definitely worth checking out if you're using a Fire Stick. The first thing you need to do is go to your home page on your Fire TV stick by pressing the home button on your remote. That's this button here, just tap on it. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the right until you see the gear or cog icon. Tap across like this and then go down to My Fire TV using the arrows on your remote. Once you're in My Fire TV, you'll see the option for Developer Options. Go ahead and click into Developer Options, then scroll down. Inside, you'll find the setting for Apps from Unknown Sources. In my case, it says Install Unknown Apps because I haven't yet installed any apps from outside the Amazon App Store. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to grant permission to specific apps once they're installed. If you don't see the Developer Options menu, don't worry. I'll show you how to enable it. While still in the My Fire TV section, go ahead and select About. It will show some details about your Fire TV stick. Make sure your Fire TV stick device is highlighted. Mine is the light version, yours might be 4K or another variant, but that doesn't matter. With it highlighted, press the select button on your remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep clicking and you should see a message like, "No need, you are already a developer," or similar. If it's your first time, it will enable Developer Mode. Once you've enabled Developer Mode, just go back and the Developer Options menu will now be visible. Click on it and you'll now be able to enable the Apps from Unknown Sources setting. And that's it. Super simple. Before we finish, if you're planning on installing third-party apps or streaming content, using a VPN like NordVPN can be a smart move. It can help you protect your privacy, avoid buffering due to throttling, and even unlock content that might be restricted in your region. There's a link in the description where you can try NordVPN for a great price.